Turn on the light. Where's the light? Turn on the light. Na si Madam. Nagpicture-picture. Yung beauty. Living the dreams. I'm gonna turn on the TV. Turn the TV here. Finish TV. Yes. Another, there's the first bathroom. The first bathroom ni Madam. Okay, and then close the door. The door have a mirror in it. Okay. And we can open the closet. And my clothes is on the other side. Okay. I'm gonna open the bedroom. Don't mess it around. It's a mess. My bra everywhere. There's my closet. I'm gonna open. There's my clothes. Madam clothes. There's another my hairdresser. Just lock the bedroom. If you wash your pee-pee, the other one. The bathroom. That's the bathroom. It's a nice one. Look.